Hey guys, welcome back to the Art of Craftsmanship. My name's Dustin, and today is the last video of the Art of Craftsmanship. Here at this current location. Now we're moving to a new house, and we have a new shop. We're gonna be setting that up, doing all sorts of cool videos there, showing you and bringing you along on that journey of setting up a new shop and how we're gonna rearrange it and what the new backdrop of the Art of Craftsmanship is gonna look like. But we've done a lot of stuff here at this property. It's been an awesome journey. 8 years for the channel have all been shot here at this property. And so it's bittersweet, but it's also exciting to be moving. But today I'm gonna start packing some stuff up and maybe talk about some memories of different things we built in the shop. We'll head downstairs, we'll start looking at what we need to pack up, getting things ready to move, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Keep that paper in there. So much stuff. When we moved into the shop, the only thing that was here was this bench. The pegboard wasn't here, the shelf wasn't here, and on the floor there was just a pile of these yellow lights, right? So this was here in a giant pile that my wife and I untangled and ran the lights around the shop. Like this bench I'll probably end up leaving. It's not super crazy or super awesome, so I'll probably rebuild something like this, but I like the kind of setup of the bench behind me and the bench in front of me. So this bench will come with us, the middle bench, this bench as well. Now this is one that we got over the years. When we first began, there was a bookshelf here and there was some tables here, but really it was just like storage with old axes and stuff. But then we got this bench, this workbench, and then now the grinders are on it, the house-made grinders, and then the shelves next to the door as well. So the shelves that were here went over here. And you may have seen some of those early videos. We had kind of a tall table here that just ended the shop, and behind it was just storage of stuff. And so before we got the racks that are over here now that hold our family camping gear and coolers and just the normal family storage that we have here in the basement. But then we built the wood rack. We did a video of that, and Devin came out from behind the camera for the first time, and we kind of cleaned everything out, put all the wood in, and then got rid of the table, which really opened up the shop a lot more. So we had this backspace. It's going to be a different feeling because all of this stuff that's all stored here I won't have to have in the new shop because we have a full basement for all the kind of house storage and an attic as well. So the new shop can just be a shop, which I'm really excited about. We have a table saw here, this little table saw, which has lived at the end of the table for years, but I really want a better table saw. So that's going to be one of the new acquisitions, will be a cabinet saw, but also still probably closer to the end of the bench. Maybe I'll move it to maybe the other side or something because this has the twin screw vise. Having a table saw with an outfeed table is going to be really exciting in the new shop. Figure out somewhere for all of our axe stuff. These are all axes that have been given to me or ones that are being working. We have handles up here. Really this side of the shop you guys don't normally see. That's usually where Devin's standing and he's aiming that way. Devin said he wants a better table than our shop fridge, which has the beer and stuff inside. Considering a new shop is not just a shop, but a studio as well, and keeping that mindset of how am I going to make a really interesting space that's usable as a shop, but also still can be a great space to shoot videos for the Art of Craftsmanship. I'm going to start, because I'll pull all the actual tools first and then figure out the things that are just here without a home and if they really need to be brought with us or not. The thing, do I keep everything or do I pare down now? Because like how many pairs of vice grips do I need in one spot? I like the little ones, I like the big ones, I like the medium-sized ones. What I need to do maybe is an extra Toolbox 100, the one coming directly from the tools used in the Art of Craftsmanship shop rather than the ones that we've purchased from local places. We'll see. Bill, Well, it's been a lot of years, but that's that for the basement shop here. The Art of Craftsmanship. Signs down. Everything's gone that's going except for some of these little things, which we'll move over the next few days, but otherwise things are wrapping up. But we're going to take you over to the new shop and show you that before we finish, and then we'll end the video there.